All right, language explorers, let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So against all odds. So against all odds. So it could be like 100 to 1. The odds are against you. The chance. Yeah. Change up the chance, yeah. Yeah, so doing something despite the odds and chances are against you. Yeah, so he can win the competition against all odds. Against all odds, he did it. Even though it was 1,000 to 1, he won. Yeah. He had a low chance of winning, but he still actually won. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? I will keep going against all odds. No matter how difficult or challenging it is, I will keep doing it and win. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, against all the odds, all the chances, all the odds, I will win. How cool is that? Like here in the game of chess. So there are two pieces. So against all odds, they will win. Yeah, against all odds. Against all odds, the white team will win. The white side will win. How cool is that? He did it against all odds. He did it. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe his chance of winning the game was 30, I don't know, 30, let's say 14 to 1. So the odds were against him, yet through skill and determination he won. Yeah, through skill, being able to do things, he won. How cool is that? Against all odds, against all those odds, no chance. You can't be serious, you're joking. Against all odds, no way. He can't win, he can't do it. Against all odds, no chance. The odds are against him. The odds are against her, for example. The odds are against her. No way she can win. No way. But against all odds, she did it. She did it. Even though she faced a lot of challenges and obstacles. Yeah, definitely. She faced a lot of challenges and obstacles, yet still won. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so against all odds. Doing something despite the odds and chances are against you. Against you. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so can you use against all odds in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.